up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we are going to be installing my Detent springs, my heavy-duty Detent springs on Crustina, my beautiful K24 swapped 6-year build in progress that looks like a track car, but never seen a track, so people roast me about it. But it's okay. You know what I mean? Because we're going to be on the track fairly soon. Once this COVID crap once this bovid crap blow over, you feel me? Then we will be ready to rock and roll on the Palm Beach International Raceway. Now, if you've seen on my Instagram, iBox said, yo, you should come out to the track next weekend, or maybe this weekend. And I was like, is it an open invite? And they didn't message me back. Now, the track they're talking about is the Firm. The Firm is a far-ass drive. Now, I would make the drive, only if it's an open invite, you know what I mean? Cause come on, bruh. I've had to get a hotel room. It's expensive tracking your car, dog. That's why I want to do it at the Palm Beach International Raceway, because if it blow up, well, not blow up, if something go wrong, I'm only like 45 minutes away from home. Maybe 30. But being 4 hours away from home, and it blows up, I might be screwed. But I digress. We are going to be installing these bad boys right here. Part number right there. If it focuses, please focus. And it's not gonna focus. But it's okay. It is what it is. You can buy this in any other hybrid product, like the shirt, or any K-Swap related product at hybridracing.com with discount code Zosh. There you go, you're welcome. Dog, look how dirty my wheels are. I've been having the time of my life on these TEs, boy. Now the back stays fairly clean, you know what I mean? They stay nice and clean. Shout out to Auto Drive, Walmart, you feel me? Spray that right there, you know what I mean? Get these bad boy looking cleaned up, cause I don't like that right there. I might gotta roll these out in the garage. Look at all that dirt. Look at all that dirt, boy. Ooh, them active ingredients, boy. Ooh, anything dirty, baby. Ooh, they cleaned up nice, boy. Ooh, wee. Ice, 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 yeah. If only tire and wheel cleaner can clean up my actual life, that would be fan-damn-tastic. But without further doozies, let's roll the Integra out of the garage and start the install process of our Detent springs. It's pretty simple, and the reason why I'm going to roll it out of the garage so you guys can get better lighting and, you know, it just overall looks better. And plus, I can't get blocked in because I am taking my car down south today to pick up the new valve cover. So, I would take the RSX, but I feel like, I don't know why, but the Integra does way better on gas, and it's a smaller tank. So it's like a 9-gallon tank compared to a 12-gallon tank. And I don't know, it just feels like the RSX burns more gas for some reason. Maybe because it's a big body or something. I don't know, it's weird. I don't know. But how was y'all day going? Y'all good? Y'all good out there? Y'all chilling? Y'all big chilling? Y'all living life, you know what I mean? Y'all being nice to y'all parents? I hope so. Oh shit, did I just break something? Ooh, see, this is why you go with the wood splitter. Because if this was a more expensive splitter, I would have been screwed. But you guys see, it flexes at high speeds. So what I'm gonna do today, maybe today, I am going to do what Vasile Racing did and drill holes upon the top so this stays married, so wind doesn't get in there and cause any problems. And I'm gonna repaint this right here. And yeah, this is my wood splitter, and yes, I do run a wood splitter, and because it's smart to run a wood splitter until you get into the big boy time attack racing and you get like a nice thick nice piece of hard material splitter, but I'm not there yet. And for autocross racing, this is just fine. It's 22 bucks. When you order the P1 lip from Special Project Motorsports, this is the splitter they send you along with your lip. It's made out of wood. Just to give some insight to why I run a wood splitter, because apparently people can't research, and you know, it is what it is, dog. But sorry for getting so sidetracked, dogs. To install our new Detent springs, we have to remove this mount. So we're gonna jack the car up, put the motor on jack. We'll put the jack onto the transmission to support it. And then we remove this mount entirely. And then there's 3 bolts. There's one, oh, you guys can't even see it. But it's like all in between these dimple dies right there. So, or cutouts, whatever you want to call them. Ooh, can't wait to get my new valve cover today, boy. Ooh, it's gonna be icy, icy, icy.
Everybody, 250,000 new views, old news. Know you probably heard about it. Extra, read about it. Headline, word around town, flexing, ballin'.
All right, car's all supported on jack stands. Got the jack underneath the gearbox. Now the mount bolts. 3 10mm Allen head sockets.
Service don't come unless you bring it down to me. Flexing at the screen body.
Post mount bolt removed. The 3 bolts that secure the bracket to the gearbox is removed. And up with it, up with it. All right, now. These 3, I think the 12mm bolts, these come out, and then we install our new springs, which I have no idea where I put them. Ooh. So after removing the 3 screws with the spring in it, the OEM spring and the ball, to my findings, it's not gonna work. What I mean by it's not gonna work is this right here is pretty much screwed. I'll try to, I don't know why the focus on this camera is just so bad. Hold on, man. As you guys can see, that's not good at all. At all. This one is no better. This one's okay, but yeah, I'm gonna have to replace all of these. So I am going to hit up my connects and see if they have any that I can go pick up right now, because I need to get this fixed today. Hopefully this will be fixed today. It's a beautiful thing when you know people who love and breathe Hondas. The homie Sean Skates got a set for sale, kind of. He got all the balls, brand new, so I'm gonna buy those and he's gonna look for the bolts. I don't need the springs because like I said, we're doing Detent springs this video. So I just need, and I just bought these brand new too. Like, look at that, if it focused. This camera, when it comes to focusing, is trash. It's tracking focus. Don't track me, bro. Track this. You feel? Oh my God. All right, so now that I wait for Sean to hit me back to see if he can find those screws, I went by my local parts store. I actually went to AutoZone for this. It's cheaper at AutoZone than in Advance by like $3. So I picked up some more paint for the front end of the splitter, because that's not it, brother. And I also got some self-tapper screws that I used for the splitter of the Dept Sport. I'm gonna drill up on here too, so I can have this securely fastened down without that flex right there that you guys, well, you guys probably can't see, but. Ooh, like nothing ever happened. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right, so I'm on my way to Sean Skates' place of business. The homie Sean, dog. He got what I need, boy. So I'm finna go pick them Johns up, get back home, get to this install, and then we can go test it out. And hopefully, maybe that'll fix my shifting issue, but I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. I have this weird shifting issue. Like, it's just, it doesn't feel as smooth as like Fred's and Randy's shifter is. I don't know. I think that was my issue though, because that would cause it, like, for it to be stuck like that. That's not, it's not supposed to be stuck at all. So yeah, hopefully when I put these new parts in, it should be smoothing out, and then yeah, we'll see, baby. Then I'm gonna put some in this back. Then I'm gonna put some Detent springs in the RSX right here. Nah, I mean, yeah. Whew. That boy Chris.
That motor ended up having leaking valve.
So he just redid everything, basically, yeah?
Yeah.
Like, he just did everything.
Well, we were gonna just do a full 24 with his cam, and then that motor ended up being shit. And I'm like, well, if we gotta do a valve job, why don't we do it to your 20?
Yeah, and then 20. This is why Sean's the GOAT, bro. Sean is the GOAT, got it all. The homie Sean came through with what I needed. I'm just gonna order him a replacement set through my Acura for my discount. Now it's time to go install these Johns. Shout out to the homie Sean, dog. Oof. All right, so back at the crib, here we have what we were just got from the homie Sean. Detent springs right there. Got all 3 balls right there. Pause. And yeah, baby, let's get this bad boy installed. Shout out to Zip Ties. Use discount code Zosh for 15% off at zipties.com. First sponsor ever. Always gotta get plugged. I
had to call Fred real quick to see if I just dropped the ball in. He said, yeah, just dropped the ball in. So it's all installed right now, bro. I got all the springs and balls in there. We straight. Appreciate you, Fred, bro.
Yo, bro, you ain't call me about no balls. Bro.
Fred, what was it? Ask wifey what was the first thing I said, bro. I said, yo, Fred, I dropped the balls in, right? And then you were like, yeah, bro. He.
No, I didn't. What you said, my girl.
For real, they're all installed now. Shout out to the homie Sean for supplying the bad boys plumbing. And I also, if you don't know, I painted the front already. Oh, I already showed y'all that. But yeah, that's all painted. And I drilled it up, so now I have full stability. So let's put the mount back on and go for a ride and see how it is.
How the balls feel, right?
But a weddy bomber clot ya talk lava.
Alright, so we're gonna go test out the new Detent springs and see what's up. I gotta actually cruise to Fred's house anyway because I'm gonna load some editing software, well, editing stuff for him so he can mess around with it whenever he uploads new videos and stuff. He got some new editing, transitions, all that stuff. So that's what we're doing, baby. That's what we're doing. Test this bad boy out. Yeah. I bet your knee hurt.
That shit,
Nah, it drives much better, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Dog.
See what I was saying, like,
Bruh.
engagement is more tougher.
It's like you're more confident. Before, mine was like, I don't know, dog. I'm not grinding no, like, when I, like, shift high, like, if I'm doing a pull, like, if I'm throwing fifth in fast, it doesn't, dog, it's crazy. I ain't know Detent Springs did all that. God damn. Hey, Fred, quick question. I got a real serious question. Where you get the shirt from, bruh?
Just go to www.exhaustmfg.com.
Exhaust MFG.
Zosh, bitch.
Exhaust MFG?
Zosh.
Zosh, bitch. Hey, y'all make sure y'all go to exhaustmfg.com. Grab y'all Exhaust MFG Worldwide Essentials t-shirt.
Zosh, bitch.
God, this boy Fred, dog. Fred born Brady. Freddy born Brady. Hey, when we doing a raffle of the Civic?
I'm thinking about next week, man.
Next week?
Next week, man. $500 spot, $500 a spot.
God damn. Y'all know the vibes. Fred got stay. You know what I mean? You know the vibes.
Hydrated,
You're
get them electrolytes.
them electrolytes.
Electrolytes.
Electrolyte. Exhaust manifold shirt, bro. Y'all go caught that all that time for that one time. Now I gotta get home and edit this vlog for y'all on this beautiful, beautiful Monday evening. It's a night and day difference with the Detent springs, dog. Like it just makes everything like, bro, I don't know what it is. Like it's more not cheater, but it's more like I can't explain it, dog. Like it's just good. It works. And it's $20. If you want to crispy up your shifting for under a new gearbox, as in like synchros and gears, whatever, bro, Detent springs. Detent springs, dog. Do it. Hybrid Racing the fam, they got them for sale. Yes, they do have them for sale. Not like on sale, but they have them. They sell. Huge thank you to Hybrid Racing for sending me out this part. Boy, I love my car, dog. And that is going to wrap it up for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to know what Detent springs do, link down below the Hybrid Racing website, because I can tell you what to do and I could be completely wrong. So just link down below for knowledge and information. Just know it works and my shifting is much better. I'm still needing shifter cables, but other than that, it's all good. Thank you guys for watching the video. I'll be guys. I'm out. Peace.